guys, I'm here with Justin. He's been a long time user and he's crushing it. Tell us what you use CloseBot for.
Thanks, Bryce, for having me on here. So I use CloseBot for my clients and for myself. So a little bit of backstory, if I can.
Yeah, okay.
I'm active duty military, and I have an agency as a side hustle. And that agency, we do lead generation for concrete companies, and we do lead qualification and appointment booking. So we really use CloseBot as like a speed to lead solution for those customers, because a lot of my clients are like mom and pop businesses.
Yeah.
A lot of times they don't have somebody sitting at the desk while they're out doing estimates or laying concrete. And so CloseBot does a lot of that work for them so they don't miss opportunities.
This is so cool because it opens up the door for these small companies to be successful. But they need a Sherpa like Justin who can install this for them and make it work, so they can run their business.
Yeah, for sure. I don't think that this is on, actually I know for sure, like my clients, CloseBot is not on their radar. So when you say like a Sherpa, yeah, I think that's true. They need somebody maybe in the marketing niche, or like maybe somebody who's keen on AI to sort of help them implement that. A concrete contractor will never come and build a workflow or a job flow.
Right.
Yeah.
So if anyone's on the fence about CloseBot, what would you say to them?
Here's the deal. I talk to a lot of people. I have a YouTube channel where I teach people how to build stuff like this. And I always get asked, like, hey, what's the best platform? What's the best tool? Do I pick this or that? CloseBot just works. Like that, like literally that's my response to most of them. Because they come to me and they're like, hey, there's XYZ competitor. I saw this on YouTube. Every day there's a new tool that's coming out. And they ask me, like, why haven't you jumped there? Why haven't you created content about it? Why haven't you? Hey, I don't know. CloseBot just works. So that's all I have to say about CloseBot.
Thank you.
That's why I recommend it. So if you're on the fence, I think you guys, when I first signed up, there was like a free tier, but you guys have like taken that tier. You've taken that free tier to like another level, I feel like.
Well, you can get a ton done with the free tier. Like if you guys are a small business, you can run your business on the free tier and get a lot.
If I like share a template or something, or you share a template in a free tier, customer import that template?
Yeah, I'd actually love to tell people, like, Justin has a YouTube channel. Maybe hang your YouTube channel and we'll tag it in the comments.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Justin Melendez. If you just search that on YouTube, you should find me. It's me with my arms crossed and a purple background. But that's cool because like import and template and sign up for free and then just try it out yourself.
You keep it easy.
Yeah, keep it easy.
Yeah. Thanks, Justin.
Thanks, Bryce. Appreciate it.